Dragon. Dragon. Who's it? Who's it? Hi. Hi. Say hi. Remember those walls I built? Baby, you were coming down.
I can't imagine my life without my sister. Since the day I was born, the word Akka has been like a part of my life. For me, my whole life has been this triangle of my mom, my sister and me. And now we get to have another person in our life. It's very exciting for me to have Rishabh Anna be part of expanding our family.
It's like up in a weekend. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more.
First of all, I love my sister Shivani, and I think that like Rishabh could not do better than her. Okay, let's start there, yeah? But that's just me being an overprotective brother. Apart from that, I feel like my sister is the most talented sister ever. She's a pilot, so that speaks for itself, right? It does. And I always wanted to be a pilot, but I couldn't ever because I knew that I didn't have the brains for it. But she did it. So I feel like she can do everything I cannot, and I love her regardless of anything else.
Burning through my darkest night.
Sorry, my bad.
He came uninvited to my birthday.
Go on.
And then what happened?
No, he was so irritated.
No. Surbhyaka and Vinati started lying to me that he's some police officer. But he was a bone doctor. And then what did he do? And he told me he'll give me all of his Pokemon cards. But he didn't give it till now.
He did? Oh my god. We need to take that up with him right now.
Everywhere I'm looking now.
My dad called me one day, he's mad excited. He's like, oh my god, I think like Akash found him nice, he's mad nice, he's got the same nakshatra as me. And Papa was so excited about that. Yeah, he knew it was Rakshan Karna and we were like, is he going to be like Naveen?
It's written all over your face. Baby, I can see.
The thing is, the Surbhyaka is one of like the first kids to come into the family. With Surbhyaka, there's a lot of gravity that surrounds her, and the fact that like everyone very deeply loves her because they've been around her for such a long time, and they've like really gotten to know her who she as a person. And so for her wedding, even like right now, my mom's so emotional because it's basically also almost like her daughter also getting married, right? Because she really genuinely like pulls a lot of gravity within this family, and all of her mamas, her mommies, they'll always put through for her, and that's something Rishabh needs to know, is that her family has her back.
I can feel your halo. I can see your halo. I can feel your
I think our relationship has evolved from like her being my older sister to her now being my best friend. Like even when I'm in the US and she's in India or we're in different cities, like I call her at least once a day, if not twice a day. I'll call her in the morning when I wake up, at some point, and then before I sleep, I'll try and like talk to her. Even for like small decisions like, which bag should I buy, the green one or the silver one, I like FaceTime her and I'll be like sending her pictures, and like she's literally my best friend.
थी कहाँ तुमसे मिल गए किस्मत थी मेहरबान रब दी रूह तू है सब्र महर जब से मिला तू है मेरे हम सफर रब दी रूह तू है
I think because my brother and I have had like a 2-year age gap, we have fought a lot during like while we were growing up, but also like my best friend in a way. We played together, we invented games, we were obsessed with shows and pretended that, for example, we were obsessed with CID, so we started our own agency. So we've always been partner in crime.
I've been waiting for a place I belong. I fell for you when you played that first song. हमने ये जाना दोस्ती ही है प्यार, दो दिल मिल गए ना होगा अब इंतजार.
Anna has throughout his life made terrible decisions, like supporting United. He's very small, and him being decision of that since a very young age. But finally, I think he's made one good decision, which was marrying you.
Oh, the United fan! That makes sense.
जब से मिला तू है मेरे हमसफर, रब दी रूह तू है सब्र महर. जब से मिला तू है मेरे हमसफर, रब दी रूह तू है सब्र महर. जब से मिला तू है मेरे हमसफर, रब दी रूह, 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 रब दी रूह.
He's very warm, affectionate as a person, and whatever's on his mind, he always just says it, which I really appreciate. He takes you as his own, and once he does that, he's there for you at all times.
कैसे कहूँ राज मेरा क्या लोग कहेंगे, मेरा दिल और मैं.
She told me how they met. I thought it was really cute and romantic and very like Bollywood style.
Apparently, he told me 5 months before he actually told me, because like, no, I told you first. He told me well.
I'm not told anyone, but just say
You're special, yeah.
तेरे हाथों में बातों बातों में, बातों बातों में, बातों बातों में, बातों बातों में.
कह दो दिल में छुपी जो तेरी बात है.
You know how he told me about Shivani. He was like, Pooja, I'm like, there's this girl and she's really nice, and me and she really gel together on a lot of things. We have a lot of common interests. I think they just they're best friends, and that's something that is so important. So I'm really happy for. I'm gonna try not crying.
तू चुप हो कैसे राज है, कह दो दिल में.
Even though she wasn't searching for anyone, I think I really wanted her to find the perfect partner.
पहले कही दे मैं कितना बचताया था, समझा कोई ना यारों ने मेरे, मुझको ही समझाया था. पर एक दिन तू जो आएगा हौले से मुझे सहलाएगा, रख दूंगा राज मेरे तेरे हाथों में, बातों बातों में, बातों बातों में, बातों बातों में, बातों बातों में।
है दो दिल में छुपी जो तेरे बात है। है दो दिल में छुपी जो तेरे बात है। है दो दिल में छुपी जो तेरे बात है।
So we both have been orbiting each other's lives all the time. But it's just that we never met. But I think we finally did meet, and just at the right time.
I've not met a person like her who is always like sweet, always nice, thinking about others, caring. You don't get such kind of a person, and when you do find that person with such a connection, I don't think you let go.
चलते चलते मैं रुक रहा हूँ, बढ़ती धड़कनों को सुन रहा हूँ, हो रहा तेरा ये मुझ पे असर, क्या तुमको है कुछ
It was the Sangeet, okay? And here I am.
She was wearing this orange, yellowish, oranges kind of like a lehenga, okay? And I went to get food for myself, and she had come.
I'm
and
looking at the food and I'm like, okay, what should I take for him? And from nowhere, Rishabh is standing next to me. Okay, he doesn't know me, I don't know him, and he's just like, oh, this is good, or that's good, or something he said.
that is the first interaction that I had with her, you know, and you know, automatically, of course, like a guy, you know, who's this pretty girl type, you know, like, so that's what happened to me also, like, who's this?
वक्त की खामोशी बैठी है मेरे अंदर।
Just a few words of, you know, what do you do, or like, you know, how come we never met? Oh, we'll catch up in Bombay and all that. I said, yeah, okay, cool. That's it. End of story. Nothing after that. And it was really nothing at the beginning, you know, it was just this meeting that happened, and yeah, I noticed him and he noticed me, I guess. And then we didn't have each other's numbers or anything like that. So I think there was a long process where, you know, till the time we actually started talking, where someone slid into somebody's DMs. I'm not going to tell you. So yeah, all that was happening, like a little bit, you know, on Instagram or something, and you're just like, I think brushing, you know, off each other, but not really talking to each other. You know, some story or something like that. And then, yeah, we were not having a conversation for some reason. It was just nothing. And I think there was this, what do you call, tennis final match. Okay, I can't remember now which cup was it or what was it. But both of us posted a story of the final.
I think we spoke for about 9 or 10 in the night till.
And somehow we just like suddenly just started talking and just didn't stop talking at all. We found common things and common hobbies and interests and love for music, dance and these other things. It was just like there's so much to catch up about.
We have the same likes, the same dislikes, same music, same hobbies, activities, everything. Just like me. only think she's the hotter female version of me.
Hello everyone. Hey. We're so happy to see everyone here. We have some insane performances lined up for you guys. So I hope you'll all come closer to the stage and enjoy the performances. Today is a very special day for two of our most favorite people, Anna and Akka. I don't know what to call you. And let's hope we can make it special for them. Go ahead.
Yep, and sit tight. It's gonna be an amazing, amazing set of performances.
नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय ये धिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे रे खट 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 बाज दस तक वो न अब तक आया रे तब से कब से देखी राह के अब तू खोल बाहें आजा उमड़ घूमे रे मचले रे मोरा मन गूंजे रे बालम के बोल गाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय
झुमका गिरा दे जो मिला ले अगर वो नजर से नजर मिटा दे नच के दिखा दे सबकी धड़कन भी कदम से कदम मिला दे तेरा सी चाल की जाल बिछा के दिल को यूं बेहाल बना दे सारे दीवाने माने देखी कोई ऐसी गाल देख लख लख परदेसी girl, ain't nobody like my desi girl. देख लख लख परदेसी girl, सब तो सोनी सादी देसी girl. Who's the hottest girl in the world? My desi girl. झुमका लगाई के she rock your world. My desi girl.
My family perform, so it's in the genetics, a lot of stuff. Another thing is that in a hurry we've done something today at 3:30 for till 3:45. So let's pray. It's a song for basically for you. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Talk, let's have conversations in the dark. The world is sleeping, I'm awake with you. With you. Watch movies that we both already seen. I ain't even looking at the screen, it's true. Got my eyes on you. And you say that you're not worthy. You get hung up on your flaws, but in my eyes you are perfect as you are. I won't ever try to change you. I will always want the same you. Swear on everything I pray to that I won't break your heart. I'll be there when you get lonely. Keep the secrets that you told me, and your love is all you owe me. That I won't break your heart. On Sunday mornings we sleep until noon. Well, I could sleep forever next to you. Next to you. And we've got places we both gotta be. There ain't nothing I would rather do. Blow off all my plans for you. And you say that you're not worthy. You get hung up on your flaws, but in my eyes you are perfect as you are, as you are. I will never try to change you, change you. I will always want the same you. Swear on everything I pray to that I won't break your heart. I'll be there when you get lonely. Keep the secrets that you told me. Swear on everything I owe me that I won't break your heart. When no one seems to notice and the days they seem so hard, my darling, you should know this. My love is everywhere you are. I will never try to change you. I will always want the same you. Swear on everything I pray to that I won't break your heart. अभी भी शादी हुआ नहीं है।
देखा तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा, तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा। यूं नजरें ना फेरो तुम, मेरे हो मेरे तुम। देखा तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा, तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा। यूं नजरें ना फेरो तुम, मेरे हो मेरे तुम। कह दो ना यू आर माय सोनिया। हे कह दो ना यू आर माय सोनिया।
तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा, तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा। यूं नजरें ना फेरो तुम, मेरे हो मेरे तुम। कह दिया यू आर माय सोनिया।
सहरा बांध के मैं तो आया रे, डोली बारात भी साथ में मैं तो लाया रे। अब तो ना होता है एक रोज इंतजार सोनी, आज नहीं तो कल है तुझको तो बस मेरी होनी रे। तेनू लेके मैं जावांगा, दिल दे के मैं जावांगा। तेनू लेके मैं जावांगा, दिल दे के मैं जावांगा।
मार दे तालियां
ओ बिलोनी 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 हाथ मार दे तालियां
बिलोनी 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 हाथ मार दे तालियां
आज चांदनी कूटेंगे
आसमान को लूटेंगे
चल धुआं उड़ा के झूम 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 झूम
बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर
Everybody wanna get with us 'cause we the baddest, the maddest of all. We is the illest, the realest, they know what the deal is with how we turn on. Everybody want this sound, it's the call number one. But them come on it 'cause I'm be flaunt it, and we gon' give it drop. Turn up, yeah, turn up, fire, turn up, turn up, fire. Coming in hot, we coming in hot, we coming in hot, we coming in hot, coming in hot, we coming in hot, we coming in, coming in, coming in hot, coming in hot, we coming in hot, coming in hot, we coming in hot, coming in hot, we coming in hot, coming in, coming in, coming in hot. Come along if you want, you can get so. Me no discriminate, they know about that, hey, we all know. Everybody want this sound, it's the call number one. But them come on it 'cause I'm be flaunt it, and we gon' give it drop. Turn up, yeah, turn up, fire, turn up, turn up, fire. Coming in hot, we coming in hot, we coming in hot, we coming in hot, coming in hot, we coming in hot, we coming in, coming in, coming in hot, coming in hot, we coming in hot, coming in hot, we coming in hot, coming in hot, we coming in hot, coming in, coming in, coming in hot. Everybody want this sound, it's the call number one. But them come on it 'cause I'm be flaunt it, then we gon' give it drop. Everybody want this sound, it's the call number one. But them come on it 'cause I'm be flaunt it, then we gon' give it drop. Turn up, yeah, turn up, fire, turn up, turn up, higher, turn up, yeah, turn up, fire, turn up.
I was in the US. Rishabh and I knew I was planning to come to India at some point, but I just wasn't sure when. My dates weren't decided. And he told me that, I planned this like dream proposal for her. I was really excited to hear because I was like, oh my gosh, proposal! And that too for my akka. Like, it was like a big deal for me.
खुशबू खुशबा महका इश्क डूबा
I think I mentioned something that, if something ever had to happen, it would be so nice if it would be under the night sky or something like that. And I think he caught on to that. On our trek on one of the clear nights, he planned the proposal. Of course, he did a lot of planning behind that. Even if they're small gestures or big gestures, just everything he does, he'll really put thought into things that he does, small or big. Yeah. So just these kind of things. So you know that that person really cares about you and really loves you. And when you find that person, then you don't want to let that person go. Everyone has like flaws, but there are these important things that you want in a person, and I think those important things Rishabh really checked. Those boxes he checked. So then I was like, this is right. This feels right. It feels good.
मेरा दीन तू ईमान तू मेरा ताज राज अभिमान तू मेरा दिल भी तू मेरी जान भी तू.
So I feel like it all happened so fast. that we're like here all ready for the wedding. And as much as it feels strange that my brother is now married, because you have to understand that I know him as this goofball of a person, and to think that now he has a wife, okay, it's something that's so strange for me. But when he told me, I just felt like this was a natural progression also for him. It's just something that seemed right, like he was ready for it.
The fact that she's such a nice person, and I've not met a person like her who is always like sweet, always nice, thinking about others, caring, doesn't shout and all, doesn't like all that, so she doesn't do it herself. You don't get such kind of a person, and when you do find that person with such a connection, I don't think you let go.
पहली बार ही कि इस दिल ने दिल लगी, धड़कन भी तुमसे जुड़ी, उस पल से इस घड़ी तुम सा ना कोई कहे, हमदम हम नशी तुम ही, तुम साथ तो मिली जन्नत मुझको यकीन, इन बाहों में तेरी कल भी थी आज भी ये आशिकी, कल भी थी आज भी ये आशिकी।
जिस दिन तुमसे मिली हूँ तब से आज तेरी ही परछाई चली साथ साथ, तू जहाँ दुनिया वहाँ मेरी, मैं जहाँ दुनिया वहाँ तेरी।
अब दिल ये कह थम जाए हम जरा, बस जाए हम यहाँ, वादा करो ना, कुछ दिल ये कह तुम मेरे हो सदा, कम होगा प्यार ना, वादा किया ना, कल भी थी आज भी ये आशिकी।
The proposal happened, it was amazing, but after that we had so much ahead of us, where we were taking care of each other, pushing each other, carrying each other sometimes, literally. I think it was physically very challenging, mentally challenging, and it was our first trip together. It was like we were going through this test together, and after that we were like, okay, now we'll be okay.
तू वो रास्ता जो घर की ओर जाए, तेरा वास्ता तो जिंदगी बनाए, बस तेरा था तेरा है इस पल का था हमेशा इंतजार, करो ना अब दिल ये कह रहा, थम जाए हम जरा, बस जाए हम यहाँ, वादा करो ना, कुछ दिल ये कह रहा, तुम मेरे हो सदा, कम होगा प्यार ना।
Most relationships have the puppy love which fades away, but even today it's the same with us.
कल भी थी आज भी ये आशिकी, कल भी थी आज भी ये आशिकी।
What love means for me.
First thing that should be important is trust. You can love someone but you may not trust them. but if you trust them, then there is some sort of love with that goes with it. Second thing, apart from trust, is respect. I think you need to respect each another. We don't give up, you know, whatever happens, even if there's chucha happening, at the end we are sitting there to solve it out and to, you know, get it past us and move on. If you have a person who gives up, then you don't know what to do. So those things always then, you know, go down after some time. But here everything is always working in a thing where you go up, something happens, you're still moving up only. And I think that's why the relationship has been so good.
Being best friends, having fun together, growing together, just being able to be yourself completely with someone and being very comfortable with that person. Very natural and organic, and you don't have to do much to understand each other because you get it anyway. I think easy, comfort, protection, home, these are the things that, like, that's the kind of person that, you know, I want to be with, who is like, I don't want to pretend to be a different person.
ख्वाहिशों में तू शामिल है, डूबते अरमानों का तू साहिल है, तेरे बिना न दिखता मुझको मंजिल है, अकेलेपन में तुझे ढूंढे मेरा दिल है, नादानियाँ जी भर के कर ले तू, 100 गलतियाँ जो तेरी माफ है, खफा तुझसे मैं रह न पाऊं, दिल मेरा जो इसके खिलाफ है, मुस्कुराहटे है जो तेरे महफूज है, जो तू संग है मेरे, बेफिक्र है जिंदगी के रास्ते, चल पड़ा हूँ मैं बस तेरे वास्ते, तू जो पास है दिल खुश मिजाज है.
Yeah, it was a big day for us today, and I'm excited that we're going to start this journey together. We're going to begin this new chapter of our lives together.
I'm the captain along with her. Everyone else in the family are like the people helping us. You have to enjoy the ride, ups, downs, turbulence, everything. At the end, you still have to land in destination. So yeah, enjoy the ride.
जिंदगी है कितनी हंसी है, फिर भी कहीं अजब तन्हाई, कैसी है वीरानियां, चुपके से ये मुझसे कहे अगन दिल की सुलग जाने दे, कैसी है वीरानियां.
Let me touch your face.
I got tears in my eyes because
जैसे ढूंढता सदियों से करे इंतजार,
Yeah, please. Look at me. Yeah. Done.
Okay, how was the wedding for you all? Do you want to say something? What was the best part about it? What's it?
Pani Puri.
Pani Puri.
Best part of wedding was honestly all the time leading up to it. I feel like because this is a Pani Puri, no, because of the wedding, I think all of us after a long time ended up spending a lot of time together as a family, doing practices or video calling or like coordinating outfits and just coming together as a family. So I think the whole process leading up to it has been a lot of fun and it's been a moment of bonding for all of us.
I went a 2-day sari shopping spree with Akka. For 2 days we went to at least
and even he's gone
sari shopping. We've all gone sari shopping with Akka. This has been like a thing.
Not a lot, Banarsi.
Yeah, we saw Kanjivaram. We went to multiple different shops. Different colors, pink, red, gold, even green.
When did we go to Bangalore to buy sarees? We get
this is a multi-city wedding.
No, but we get sarees in Mumbai also.
But they're not the saree for Surabhi.
The best one, we had to get the best one for Akka.
You fill my heart with joy every day. You make me smile.
I feel like it's surreal in a lot of ways because, like I said, I'm like, okay, we're here, but I was like trying to be in the moment as much as I could, and I was trying to make sure he's in the moment too, because he's very like, otherwise sometimes he's like, what is not happening, what's this? So I was like, okay, be in the moment, it's not gonna come back. But it was lovely. I think it was perfect.
Take my hand and let the music play. Round and around we go, and will we stop? Who knows? Round and around we dance, I'll never stop. Falling in love with you. I tell you secrets that I've never told before. You give me kisses that leave me wanting more.
When you call me darling, I get weak at the knees. It melts into a puddle of helpless melodies. Take my hand and let the music play. Round and around we go, and who knows? Round and around we dance, I'll never stop. Falling in love with you. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
You can smile now.
We got it. We got the smile. We got it. We don't smile. Don't smile. Don't smile.
Thank you so much, and I haven't shown it to you enough yet, but I will. As much as a part of my family become, I will show it. तुझे किसने रुला दिया ना ब्रो, ये दुनिया पिघल जाएगी, समझा ना?
I love you guys. Love with all your heart. I think when you love someone, even a compromise doesn't feel like a compromise. It just feels like something that is just needed for a relationship or for life. So just be honest, be true to yourself, and just love each other. That cures everything.
Get used to me. I'm going to be around a lot. You all won't have to miss me at all. I'm going to be with you all the time. We're basically a package deal. So when you signed up for Akka, you signed up for me and my mom and Dragon for that matter. Very excited for you guys. I'm so happy for you all. I love you all. Always going to be there for the both of you. Rishabh, Anna, you've been good so far. Just be good. Just be the way you are. And both of you all don't change. I love you both the way that you all are.
Hi Anna, congratulations on your wedding.
Congratulations, Anna! We love you, Shivani! I'm really excited for her because I know that this is something that she probably wants in her heart, this next step. I'm just really excited for her. Like, come on, I want to be an aunt at some point. I want to be a Masi, and you know, fingers crossed, they're planning to have kids at some point. You can even cut that out. She'll kill me.